Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about the scope and career of investment banker, along with skills and education required for it. Let's get started. Ever dreamt of being a key player in India's booming financial sector? As an investment banker, you will be at the heart of deals that shape the Indian economy. Strong academic performance, a relevant degree in finance, economics, or business administration, and a qualification like the Chartered Accountancy (CA) can open doors. What do investment bankers do? Capital markets, assisting companies in raising funds through stock issuance or bonds. Mergers and acquisitions, M&A, advising companies on buying or merging with others, playing a crucial role in India's consolidating markets. Private equity, facilitating investments in private companies with high growth potential. Why would you want to be an investment banker? Investment bankers are rewarded financially with competitive salaries and bonus. Successful investment bankers will be able to switch their positions from analyst to associate and vice president. It gives the opportunity to communicate with a vast number of people, which can be valuable for both personal and professional development. Education and learning. To begin your career in investment banking, you need to pursue a bachelor's degree in any of these subjects: finance, economics, or business administration. A master's in business administration (MBA) can further boost your resume. Pursuing internships after graduation will help you get a foot in the door. Institutes that offer investment banking programs. Institution, program name, program type. IIM Kozhikode, Professional Certificate Program in Investment Banking, Executive Program. IIM Kolkata, Online Course in Investment Banking, Executive Program. IIM Indore, PG Certificate Program in Investment Banking, PG Program. IIT Guwahati, Advanced Certification Program in Investment Banking, Executive Program. Required skills. You'll need strong analytical skills, math-like attention to detail, and excellent communication to navigate complex deals. To analyze complex data, trends and demands in the market, you need to assess market conditions, what's happening in the industry, and financial performance. You need to check every detail in financial models, documents, and contracts to avoid errors. Collaborate with other team members to work actively, which can lead your path to success. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: key roles of investment bankers include assisting with capital markets, advising on mergers and acquisitions, and facilitating private equity investments. Education and skills needed: a degree in finance, economics, or business administration, strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and excellent communication. Career path and opportunities: competitive salaries, career progression from analyst to vice president, and enhancing personal and professional networks through client interactions. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.